he's caught in a tree. Oh shit! I'm going.
Hey guys, so this episode was about me and Kyle kayaking from Wivenhoe Dam to Ipswich. Well, that was the plan anyway. It was a humbling experience because we got a little bit cocky and we continued through the night, and that's when things happen. As we're going through like rapid water, like a fast-paced water, we couldn't see far enough in front of us to be able to dodge what's coming like we did during the day. So I ended up getting tangled up in a tree, pulled underneath a log, and then just flipped out, and then lost all my footage, all of my gear. I lost snorkeling gear, fishing rods, my phone, my car keys. So we end up just camping where we flipped, which is just past Twin Bridges there, and then we woke up in the morning and we had to go find someone to use their phone. So I called my mum because that's the only number I remember off by heart, and then she contacted my partner, and then my partner drove out and found us basically. So that was really cool. But yeah, so I had to get the car keys cut. I lost all my identity, all my phone, everything. So yeah, it was pretty humbling experience. And it really made us like check ourselves for the future. Like what are we, what to prepare for and what not to do. That it's a little bit shitful, really, that I lost all that footage because this episode would have been massive. It would have been probably a two-part thing. It was I had heaps of footage of explaining things, different animals. We saw fish, koalas, baby koalas, platypuses. And I caught all this on my camera, and my camera's in the bottom of the river somewhere. So there's a lot to it, but this is a video of a GoPro that Kyle had on him the whole time, and I just took little segments out of it just so you knew we were trying to make a video for you. We're trying to make this awesome adventure video for you, and goddamn, it was awesome. But it just really didn't turn out as planned. But hey, so redemption video will be coming up, and we will be going back out there, and we will be succeeding from going Wivenhoe to Ipswich, and I'm super excited for that one because this was a blast. It was probably one of the best things we've ever done. It was probably the funnest thing that we've ever done, and it was also the most humbling. So stay tuned. Yeah, enjoy. It was cool. Kayaking to Wivenhoe, from Wivenhoe, hopefully all the way through to Ipswich. So it's like a 20 odd K trip. Yeah. This is the launching spot. Wonder if we'll even float yet.
We don't know how far we've got to walk yet, but we're keen as a bean. I think it gets a bit steeper right there at the end. It is amazing, isn't it?
Alright, we've got one struggle so far, and it's we're kind of like jumping between shade because our it's like what 1 o'clock and it's hot, so we're like darting from one shade to another shade to another shade. Hell yeah, brother.
Yeah, boy.
A race in Ipswich.
Race is on. We do have a little rock. That thing's been cut. That's a big tree. Something brewing behind us. We just saw some koalas up on this bank and a couple of the gummies. One baby with a little, mama with a little baby and another young one in another tree. Brendan's just going it. Have a sticky big. It does look like it's someone's property, but. Nearly reverse entry. What? No way. Oh shit. This looks fucked. Woo-hee-hee!
I just saw one.
That's nuts.
That's fucking sick, man. That's so good. I'm gonna get some power, bro.
Alright. I know.
And it's still cool. It's like a little rock ledge.
Oh, look at those reflections. Oh my god. We're reaching Golden Hour with some cloud cover.
That is
That's
cool,
gorgeous.
Man. That's just fun, man.
Bit of sky piss. So we're just going to cover up for a little bit.
Yeah, there will be, especially when we get further down. And we're gonna, so I'm making a video, so if you aren't subscribed to my channel, we're out here making a video right now, kayaking from Wivenhoe to Ipswich, and
it's going to be a 2-day.
20 odd days of kayaking.
If not more.
And we're camping out in the mountain stuff.
Well, perspective, from just back there, if you were travelling by road, it's 33 kilometres to Ipswich. From just there, that corner that we passed, there was a road sign I saw that said 33 k's on the road to Ipswich. Obviously we're not on the road, take it for what you will. Somewhere around that mark. Yo. Yeah, hang on. Oh, I was swapping batteries in the GoPro so we could get some lightning. Here, I got the fucking Bushman's out, bro. Oh, I'm coming at you. Sorry, guys. Yeah, I'll take that because I'm getting smashed by midgies.
Yeah, midgies. Yeah.
I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but there's some big ass, what seem to be feral geese. I'm hoping I'm not stumbling across a nest here.
The male's white and the
Female's a
grey.
bit grey, yeah. There you go. Locked. They ain't leaving each other's side. Now, if they had babies, we would sure as shit know about it.
Dude, that guy's feathered.
Yeah, he's pretty cooked. I don't know how much you can see, but we're just pulling back in the water after Twin Bridges. The storm ate up a bit more time than we really wanted. Plus we've been dawdling, to be honest, just enjoying the moments. So we're just past Twin Bridges. We're hoping to make the Savages, and we'll set up a little bit of a camp, but we hear some water movement.
Yeah,
and we're just gonna sort of see what's ahead. So we'll let you know if anything hectic happens. Hey! Right, far right, far right. Pull those rods. Pull those rods. I'm gonna cut it. Yeah. You want a hand? Do you need me to grab a rod?
I gotta get rid of the fucking rods, bro.
Yeah, chuck me mine. I'm coming in. Watch it all.
I didn't want to fuck.
I know, I saw it too. So
Yeah, we're going
I'm going under. I'm gonna see, and you judge off of how I do. Not a great start. Oh, it won't let me fucking turn.
Oh, no. Oh, Kyle, God.
I can get it.
There's a fucking massive spider on this log that I just ran into. That's awesome.
Righto.
Crazy.
If you fuck up, that's alright, I'm here.
Oh, there's a pair of them right here. Yeah. Wait, that was fucking hilarious.
Yeah, it sucked. Once I get back in this, I'm going. Are you through? Oh my god, dude.
Stand under here.
I can't. I'm literally high and dry. I'm just playing balance game right now. I'm still stuck. Oh, come on. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Fuck this shit. Holy shit. Oh, sorry about that, guys. Oh, Brendy's caught in a tree. Go right or no? Go left? Oh, shit. Oh my god, a giant huntsman. Oh, shit. I'm going.
After it.
It's alright. You're right, I got your oar. The snake kit's coming to me.
I got no oars.
Yeah, I got it. Come to me. I lost your, the snake kit's floating somewhere. Well, I got your oar, I got your hat. I left, water bottles dropped out, I couldn't grab them. But it slows out here so we can sort of assess ourselves.
I need the oar.
I got it, hang on. I'm trying to get to you.
I lost my phone. Come on, quick. Before something else comes.
I know. Well, how things have changed since whatever you guys last saw. As you can see, we have a bit of a fire going. Come into some faster water right as it went like really dark. And yeah, I'll let your imagination take the rest. So we've just sort of regrouped ourselves, drying some stuff out. And my phone's making an alarm that it's got water in it. Brendy's phone's somewhere in the river along with the car keys. We're just gonna see what happens.
Oh, we're fucked. We're stuck out here.
Call for help.
We're at camp. That's Kyle's phone. It got wet. I don't even have my phone. So we're going down the rapids. And it kind of like hit a branch. And then the side of my kayak filled with
Mussels, but it's actually full.
a mussel.
Well, yeah, the clam.
Yeah, nice.
But it's like the first one I've actually seen that has anything in it. Normally they're all pillaged.
Just cook it and fucking eat it. Nah, we're good. We got food. But yeah, so we lost everything. I lost my car keys, lost my phone with all the footage, fishing rod,
Thongs.
goggles, thongs, fucking everything. So now I'm just chill banging next to a fire, drying. All my clothes are wet, all my towels wet. So I'm just gonna get warm here. And then look through the creek system tomorrow for whatever we can find. Cheers. I don't know how much of this is going to make it onto the episode now, but there's a lot of good footage in that. I got koalas on there, platypus on there, some people, some funny moments. It was so cool. Today was so cool. But yeah, don't go kayaking at night where you can't see far enough in front of you. Is what it is. Peace out.
Morning after endeavours. Just go with it. Just float. As long as you're past the log, just let it go. Yeah. You okay? I'm just waiting for you to come up with the keys. Drag your fingers while you float.
Bye.